Let's go walking. You want to play I Spy? Come on. Do you like walking, Zai? Why are you so mad? What? You woke up from your nap and you're whining?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're walking. We're having fun. It's a good day to have a walk. It feels good out here.
I don't like walking.
What you think, Briella?
I like walking in the forest.
It's not the forest. It's a park.
No, the forest. Because I don't want to drink.
Okay, well, tell Daddy bye.
Bye.